Alright, I wanted to film an update video to those Mickey mini garden plants I've gotten. Now, I was supposed to film 2 weeks after I filmed that video. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. With my mom and her accident and my dog getting sick, it's actually been almost 2 months. I ended up picking these guys up November 16th. I believe I filmed the video a couple days after that. Well, today is January 12th, so close to 2 months. And there's definitely noticeable growth. Not as much as I thought. A friend of mine got one of the ones that I think was I think basil, and she told me within a week or so after that it grew pretty quickly. These, not so much. They've been slow growing. This one has the most growth. Looks very pretty. This one, it's grown a little, but not a lot. Hasn't really changed. I'm just impressed with myself that they're still with me. Because sometimes I don't have very good luck with plants. But so far, they're growing well. I followed the directions. I kept them in the bag. I actually ended up keeping them in the bag longer than it was intended to. I did put the holes in it. I made them bigger. And then eventually I took them out. Probably a couple weeks longer than I should have had them in there, but it seemed to have done good. It acted like a greenhouse effect, so I'm not sure that's why. Maybe that slowed the growth down a bit. I don't know. But either way, they're doing good. I put them in these little pots. My only advice is, now if you're going to get the Mickey mini garden and you want to keep the jar with the box as a souvenir, that gel stuff in the bottom, empty out, because I did not do that. And after a while, all this black mold and white mold stuff started growing in there. So, if you want to be able to keep them as a souvenir and not have to go to that mess, clean that gel stuff out, because it will go moldy on you. I'm going to get these again, and I'm going to try a few others, maybe the spice ones. I really want to get the vanilla ones. The problem is they don't do so many of each plant. They don't do too many of those, and they usually, I've been told, go right away in the morning. So I'd have to get there early to do them. But I intend to get them, and I like to try that out. But I will get more of these. I think, look, it's a cool experience. It's a cool activity. It's a cool souvenir. It's like you have a little bit of the magic you bring home with you. I just think these were created. They were brought into existence at Disney. So it's like you brought a little bit of Disney, a little bit of Epcot, a little bit of the Land Pavilion home with you. Alright, this is an update video on these. If there's enough interest, I'll do another one maybe in another month or so and let you know how it goes. But yeah, pretty darn cool, I think. I'm very happy there. I'm pretty proud of myself. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye everybody, bye.